Well, he attack me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about? Is Jayden place? See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face when the AK raise. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we not need no ladder. Gaza Nation, gonna find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and yes, exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, we have seen it. We have always known this to be a fact. Them a target Vybz Kartel music. Them a try to silence the king, the vice of dancehall music. Them a try to break the spirit of dancehall music, trying to control the objective of dancehall artists, trying to tell them what to say and what not to do. Me I couldn't hear from Isaac Buchanan, viewers and subscribers. They make a reason again.
That position that was taken is a bad mind position. And here's why I said this. Cartel is a national treasure. He is dancehall's lifeline. He has money, and I say this to substantiate my position. He has remained relevant, notwithstanding he did not have to go on a stage. He has been current, and his music transforms with the time. It transcends the time. You can't deny, no one can deny that. It's not taking away from those who are free and able and irrelevant. And COVID shut down the place, so you don't have no money to pay all that, so you're irrelevant. Not my fault, but certainly I would say this, that Jamaica, peculiar to Jamaica, what we must understand, the musician.
Yes, viewers and subscribers, I'm glad to hear an attorney and make these statements. Him said there's no other way to describe the situation other than to say, yo, a bad mind. Remember, there are programs, of course, in which the artist can sign up, record music, and put it out from behind the bars. But hear me out. Why is it that for Vybz Kartel to be a part of this particular program, he must admit guilt, while we know the teacher has always maintained his innocence and is currently fighting battle axe for his freedom along with the co-accused? Them simply are saying, seeing that he maintained his innocence, let's try to do it, persecute him. Them say music, they may know the teacher pocket, and we're not going to discuss it. But they claim music is the artist's primary source of income. So their hopes and their attempts was to do a slow down the teacher's income. Them know with a catalog like Vybz Kartel music, money will always be coming in. But their hope was, if him can't authorize the release of new tracks, if new tracks cannot touch the airwaves, touch all these digital platforms where music are now being streamed, then maybe we can defeat him. But the plan has failed miserably. Some would say no, maybe they have tasked the cyber team with slowing down the teacher's views on a popular platform. We know which platform we are talking about, we don't have to call a name. But what they have failed to put on the microscope is that the teacher's music is bigger than they assumed. Look on Spotify. We're 92 other countries are streaming their music. The teacher is over 100 million streams. Over 130.3 to be specific. Them plan fail. You can't stop the movement and the movement take on a life of its own. Gaza Nation is a movement, viewers and subscribers, and it is not based here locally. And that is why them can't stop the nation. We are one of the only fan base for dancehall artists, well, for one in particular and all of his associates, that we are multilateral. Within every major city across the world. We in all continents. As a matter of fact, maybe I can say this. It's a powerful statement. But as long as there are Jamaicans residing in that country, any country you want to think of, there are Gaza Nation members there. Big statement, I mean I say it. Our movement is not based locally. And them not like that. But let's put this into perspective. When the teacher is released, viewers and subscribers, 2021 is the year of freedom, right? We are say freedom for all the reasons. Because we know what take place in 2020, and hopefully most businesses and most corporations, more entities will be opened or scheduled for reopening in 2021. Meaning so we can look forward to seeing performances, stage shows, festivals, gatherings of that nature, where thousands of people can forward out. You know what I mean? 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 10,000. You know what I mean? People can forward out in these big venues, fields, and you know what I mean? Festival venue grounds. Now, in our 2021 viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel on the road. Now, the state, the powers that be, viewers and subscribers, it is not that they are extremely worried about Vybz Kartel being released on the road. They know the teacher is a very intelligent individual who knows the way the state operates. Their fear is, viewers and subscribers, what will happen to those who try to put him there? It is not about the teacher being released. It is about the measures that were implemented while they attempted to keep him behind bars. And fans of dancehall, just like how citizens of the nation should be concerned, fans of dancehall should be concerned in this particular matter. Because the fact is, they are trying to silence dancehall music, control the narrative. If dancehall artists choose to stop sing about just girls that dance, which if they never don't try to stop that. Teach of a new track out, add it for the ladies, and I mean on the J craze juggling really, make sure so now stream it. No, them feel like dancehall artists should be limited to singing about certain subject matter. If you notice in a reggae, I don't know if them impose the limitations for reggae. Because we see reggae artists give different diverse styles of music. Even Bob Wissy tried. You know what I mean? And it worked well. The world did love it. To hear a different side of reggae. But for the most part, reggae artists sing about a particular subject matter. And for the last couple of years, we don't see them really burn the fire the realest way. We don't see them talk about the state. We don't see them talk about the state of affairs. Very few have chosen to still put out music of that nature. Most people just put out good vibe songs, like songs that celebrate the culture. You know what I mean? Songs that just will a joy to her. You know what I mean? Them not really I say, what you know? We could take on what go on, like how we used to hear Bob Dylan sing about the persecution of the black man. We don't really hear reggae artists of this day and age are really sing these prolific songs. It is now up to dancehall artists to talk about the issues of the inner city, the struggles of the inner city. Whether them want to put it in a grimy song, or they must talk about certain situation where they put out a reality song, as dancehall artists like for dub it certain time. When we talk about certain subject matter where relatable to most citizens, we call it reality music. You know what I mean? But we see dancehall artists more at the front lines of what is taking place socially than even reggae artists. Big them up same way. Still I export the culture. You know what I mean? Still I make people remember the name Jamaica. But for the powers that be, viewers and subscribers, that is their biggest fear. What will happen to them for their attempts? For trying to put the teacher behind the bars. But a bad mind. That's how it boils down to. Bad mind, viewers and subscribers. That's why over and over again talk is being made about devices. Yo, them hate for no so the teacher still dominate the genre of dancehall music. Them not like it. And that's something them proud of. They are not amused. A bad mind a play out. But it's the one called Jayden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative. And I'm reminding you, if you're new to the movement, new to the channel, just a pass through. But you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you know we'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right as up on the platform. Like icon and share icon are in close proximity of each other. Drop a like and bust a share so your friend them can hear what you just hear. Comment section open 24/7, never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. And we can continue the reasoning via the comment sections. Until the reason again, I move settings fam. And when I need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours are going to live, love, and prosper. Until the reason again.